Hello traders, this is Karthik from Absolute Analytics. This is our Kosha dashboard, and today we gave a call on Bharat Dynamics Limited. As of now, we are on a replay mode. So I'm going to speak about these metrics, guys, like how this is going to work and what exactly is the blast buy, because I've been getting messages on like the blast buys and the smart money, what exactly they are, and like can you share the chart? So yeah, even if I share the chart, it would not be something that you could learn something out of it. So that's the reason we are creating a small video. This is going to be a quick one. So it's on a replay mode. So let's see what exactly the blast buy is, and when it's going to come, I'm going to pause and go ahead with more. See, that's a blast buy, and this is where I'm going to take. So let me pause. So see here, guys, this is blast buy. The AATS score, that is Absolute Analytics technical score. So that is around 83.94%, stating that it is about to blast up on a further, there's a lot of bullish side further to go up. So this is where you're supposed to buy. I missed because I was in a couple of other trades, but let's see what exactly happens after this. Blast buy. Boom. Blast watch. It means you're about to watch a blast now. Boom. So that is what I was talking about, guys. If you're someone who love the markets like me, I think more than like, yeah, we all make money based on like whatever the equity we have, but this is fun, guys. The technical analysis, once like you predictive analysis and you get into it, the more deeper you dive into it, this is fun. So I took few trades today. I flagged them green, so let me take you down to those mode and let me exit this replay mode. So here it is, guys. Watch blast buy. Boom. I was in this trade personally, this one. And I'm also going to explain what exactly the smart money is. See, when the accumulation is happening here, so this tells you that accumulation is happening. It still doesn't tell you like is the accumulation on the bull side or the bear side. Is it going to be buy or sell? This green candle confirms that it's going to be buy, and this green triangle, it just reconfirms that there's about to be a good blast on this particular stock. And I was in this particular stock, and yeah, this is how it played. So again, blast buy, boom. And it's again the smart money on red, so we have to wait for the green triangle to see on the upside, and always the price have to be above my fuchsia line here. It keeps changing. That's a dynamic line over there. And smart money again, and the green candle, boom. Blast buy. I was in this trade. I'm still in this trade. Let's see how it's going to play, because I think this is about to go further, because the bull score is at 68% and the AATS is again above 81.43. Same, guys, watch smart money, and this time you also have a buy on the triangle. Like when you see something like this, I personally trade slightly on the heavy side when actually this comes up, and we are also planning to post profit screen, maybe I don't know whether we're going to do that or not, but yeah, this is how this goes. Like smart money, green triangle, boom. Blast buy, boom. I was in this trade, Paytm. I exited somewhere around at 1344 or 43. Again, same like at this particular point, because we are like anyways the market was about to close, so I was not interested in carry forward this anywhere. But here it says go long. My signal is saying go long here, and I wish I would have been in this trade. Maybe let's see. Let's find out on Monday what's going to happen with this. This smart money green buy, fantastic trade above the future line. See the blast from 910 to 926. Same here, blast buy. Boom. I didn't trade this, guys. I missed this one. I was into a couple of other trades and a couple of calls. I missed this one. I don't know why I missed this. Again, ignition arc and a green triangle, boom. And there was again blast buy on Polycab. I was not in this trade. Let's see how it's going to play on Monday. RVNL, I was in this trade. I was in this green triangle. I was at the smart money and this green triangle. I traded this one, and it was a bloody good move today. And again, see the blast move, blast buy here, and see, boom, blast, SBA card. Smart money, triangle, boom. Smart money, triangle, same effect. Trend, smart money, yeah. I think I've added this for a reason, because the price didn't cross my fuchsia line here. And super score was like, my AATS score was 75.48. So everything is bullish. This was the only thing that stopped me from taking these trades further. And There was no green triangles as well, and the smart money was making in the making. Maybe tomorrow, I think anywhere above 4,072 or something. If I see a blast buy, I'm gonna enter this trade. Again, this one, watch guys. I mean, there should be smart money. Yeah, smart money and green triangle. Boom. So this is our Kosha dashboard and these metrics, and this market participation is the best actually, especially when you are in the trade. I'm going to explain you on the further upcoming videos how exactly it's going to play. So for now, it's all free. Just make money. And if you love technical analysis, you would love this video. And see you all. Have a happy weekend and see you all on Monday, guys. See ya. Bye-bye.